Good evening, everybody. My greetings to everybody that is watching me. As promised before, today I'm going to drop a video uh, concerning about what I said last time, that I'm going to be teaching people on how to build house from foundation through finishing. And today I want to start from the primary thing in construction, which is measurement. Because without measurement, you cannot build. So I can't do anything in the building without measurement. So today I'm going to start with measurement. Please, on this measurement that I'm giving, I might omit some little measurements, which I will not be repeating the measurement because the measurement comes after some measurement, the measurement will come. Example like 16, when it comes to feet and inches, we have something we call it 16 and 8, that is 1/8. 1/8 and 16, they comes after some measurement and they will come. So sometimes I will try to minimize the time so that I will, but once you understand those ones that I will use, you will understand the ones that I didn't add. So if there is any question, you should comment it on the comment section as well, so that I will get back to you and reply you. Thank you. So today I'm going to start with measurement. In building, mostly we have two measurements that is being used to build. One is meter and the other one is foot. Number two is foot. Then when it comes to meter, we're going to discuss about meter first. So number one, meter. One A. 1 meter is made up of 1000 millimeter and also centimeter, made up of 100 centimeter cm. So often people build, mostly some people know about meters, they don't know about feet. So if you have any comments or any question, you can drop it on comment section. I can get back to you. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter and 100 centimeter. So that is what is being used as a meter measurement. Then when it comes to foot, which is number 1B, it is foot. Foot as in singular, but in plural it is feet or feet. So foot or feet is made up of 1/16 or 16. You can call it 16 or 1/16. Then 1/8. Then quarter. Then 5/8. Then 3/4. Then 7/8 and 1 inch, which we are discussing about. 1 inch. 12 1 inch is made up of 1 foot. So 1 foot, sorry, 1 foot equal to 12 inches. So this is what you get when you want to measure. It is either you use meter or you use foot. So then another thing is calculation. When it comes to calculation is a very difficult issue when it comes to building. That is why some people will give you estimates. After working, you have excess, sometimes more than what you have used to work. It's a wrong calculation. Or they will give you estimate that when you work, after using the first estimated materials, then the one left for you to buy will be as much as the one that you bought. It's a wrong estimate. So today also I'm going to show how to calculate measurements.